Today, we're making something like Mac Miller. Rest in peace, Mac. Mac's latest two albums, Circles and Swimming Pools, really felt like he was building to a crescendo of creative output, and it's really tragic that we didn't get to see the culmination of that. Today, we're going to try and make something inspired by those two albums, which are some of my favourite albums of the last decade, favourite albums ever, to be honest. So we're going to use some jazzy instrumentation, we're going to do some live-sounding drums, and we're going to have some fun with it and try and honour Mac's memory. Let's get into it. Right, let me get started. I think I'm going to start with a tempo of about 82. Pick that number out of thin air, and I'm going to go with it. I think, as I said earlier, we're doing some circles, we're doing some swimming pools kind of stuff. So I want to get some live sounding drums. Load up some addictive drums, I think. Now for Mac, I want to get something R&B kind of sounding, something pretty dry. Let's check out this vintage dry kit. I like this kit quite a lot. Now let's add some more interest into the kick pattern, because that kick is not doing too much right now. I want to get some nice 16th ghost notes kind of in here with some swing. I think I'm going to humanize all of the non-downbeats on the kick, give it some more feeling, get those a little bit off the grid as well. Oh, I like that. It's a nice little groove. Cool. Gonna get some hats in now. 2, 3, 4. Okay, I like that. That's cool. That's funky. Give this a little quantize. Give it a little humanize on the offbeats. Add a little swing on these as well. And pull these down in velocity a bit. Okay, we're liking that. That's a nice little drum pattern there. I'm going to duplicate this. I think we're going to go for a little tom fill at the end. I love that. Okay, pretty happy with these drums now. One thing I want to do is send these to a little bit of a room reverb. Add an effects channel here. Loaded up this cinematic rooms here. What we got? Let's try out this little brick drum thing. Sending these over to here. Just a little bit. Now, I often like to send a little bit less kick because I think it can get boomy in the bottom frequencies, and sometimes it just doesn't really work. But everything else can go a nice level. Lovely stuff. Just want to add a little mini fill here, like a little snare ghost note roll or something. Maybe that moves to here. Let's hear that. That might sound cool as a side stick. Yeah, I like that. Really happy with those drums. They sound cool. Now, what to add next? I think I'll build with a Rhodes. Just try and lay down some basic chords over this little drum beat and see what we can come up with. I want to do something, I want it to be a little bit jazzy, but not too much. Maybe we'll get the odd passing chord in there. Let's see what we come up with. So nice. So nice. Love that. What a nice progression. Anyone who's interested, the chords I was doing there were a little G sharp minor 7, or A flat minor 7, G to a G major 9, same again, G sharp minor 7 to a G major 9, and then I went down with a G minor 7, F major 7, E minor 7, and then to E7 at the end, and then back around to the start. Low end, hum out of it. Nice. Let's send that to a little bit of our room as well. Okay, I like that Rhodes a lot. I want to get a little bit of compression on that and definitely some reverb. I think would sound really cool. Let's make a little effects channel for it. What do I want here? I want like maybe a hall. Okay, I want to get this Rhodes sounding a little bit more lo-fi. I'm going to do some compression first, then we're going to get it sounding lo-fi. Yeah, that's sounding lovely. Now let's get some RC20 on there. I do like a bit of wobble. That's sounding good. That's sounding good. Last but not least, I think we'll put some spaced out on there. Oh, there we go. Now we're cooking. I'm really hearing a bass with like a wah pedal on it, like almost like Redbone-ish, you know. Let's get a bit of contact bass on there, I think. P bass, right. I want to get that, and I want to get a wah pedal on there. Okay, cool. And then I also want to get like a phaser on there. All right, let's see how this boy sounds in context. Ooh, I like that a lot. That's going to sound dope. It's kind of like a Thundercat vibe now. Let's just freestyle a variation off the top. Like, yeah, come on. We'll do the first part and then freestyle something else. Okay, cool. I'm liking that. Not so sure about that last riff. I might change that a little bit. I do like that. It's kind of Thundercat. That's cool. Okay. Right, humanize these a little bit to get some feel in it. I might humanize them again. I want this to be a little bit loose. That's super cool in my opinion. Super cool. I'm loving that. Just not sure about that last little riff part. At the same time, it's a nice little chromatic line, and I do like it. I'm going to put some compression on there. Put that into mono. Little bit of EQ on here. Also going to sidechain this to the kick, just a little bit. Right, loving that how it is right now. Okay, I think I want to get some guitar in here. Let's get some contact in. Right, not quite finding what I want in contact. I'm going to switch it and go to the real guitar. Nice and easy. Not the best playing, but I'm okay with it. I want to do something more fun with this guitar. Let's give it maybe RC20 on here, grit it up and add some chorus. If you get this wobble here, put it on stereo and put the mix to 50, you get your own chorus effect, which is kind of cool. Oh, that's more like what I want. Now I want to find a cool cool thing to put into that. Now we're getting somewhere I like. Okay. Definitely needs to be filtered out a little. I just want to make it pretty ambient. Wonder what happens if I put a spaced out on it. I love spaced out. Best plugin. Cool, let's add a little guitar lead line of some kind. All right, camera just cut out, so here's this little guitar bit I just recorded. Alrighty, I'm thinking maybe one more melody and then we should be good. Nice little chill vibe. We're here for it. Right, what synth do I want? I think I'm going to load up something from Analog Lab. I want like a lead maybe? I like that a lot. I think I'm just going to go with that. That's it. Love that little synth line. That is so nice. Let's record that in and then we'll put some effects and processing on it. Nice and easy. Just playing with the filter a little bit there. Now I want it to be a bit more, in the background. I think I want a bit of delay on that. I'm going to put some Echo Boy on there. Oh, yeah. I think I want a plate. Old plate. What's that going to do for me? Oh, it's gorgeous. Really happy with that. I'm liking that a lot. That's really cool. All right, let's get a little bit of arrangement going on. All right, I think we're done. Let's have a little listen to that all the way through, eh? Oh. Love that. That's where I'm going to finish today. Awesome. That was so fun. Thanks for watching, guys.